Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you are completely tired of waiting for the brand new Apple TV, you have clicked on the perfect video today. Before we begin, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Everything coming in the new Apple TV. In today's video, I will give you the complete story on why the new AI Siri is delaying this product. We are also going to talk about the massive new A17 processor, the super-fast Wi-Fi 7 upgrade, and the cheaper price tag. This new TV box is going to change your living room forever, so let us jump right into the details. The hardware is already 100% finished. You are probably feeling incredibly frustrated right now waiting for a new Apple TV to finally drop. I completely understand that feeling because waiting for years is an absolute eternity in the fast technology world. The most mind-blowing part of this entire story is that the new hardware is actually 100% finished and sitting in a dark warehouse right now. Siri and Apple Intelligence are causing the delay. Apple could literally launch it on their official website tomorrow morning, but they are absolutely refusing to do so. The entire hold-up for this brand new product comes down to one single software problem, and that is Siri. Apple desperately wants their voice assistant to be fully powered by Apple Intelligence before releasing this streaming box to the world. Pushed back to September 2026. The big problem is that this new and smarter version of Siri is just not ready for the public to use yet. Apple originally wanted to launch this AI assistant right now in the spring of 2026, but the software engineers hit a massive wall with reliability bugs. Because Siri was making too many mistakes, Apple made the tough call to push the timeline all the way back to September 2026. Apple's master plan for your smart home. It feels completely backward that they launched the iPhone 16 and 17 without AI, but a simple TV box has to wait in the dark. The real answer lies in Apple's master plan for your entire smart home ecosystem. They want you to talk to your TV naturally to find movies, control your living room lights, and manage your daily life flawlessly. A massive leap in processing power. Now, let us talk about what is actually hiding inside that finished box right now waiting for you. The biggest internal change you will see is raw processing power, with strong rumors pointing to the A17 Pro chip. Moving from the aging A15 Bionic to the exact same processor used in the iPhone 15 Pro is a massive leap in speed. Amazing graphics for Apple Arcade games. This powerful new chip is built on a highly efficient 3nm process, which simply means it runs cooler and uses much less electricity. It also features hardware-accelerated ray tracing, which is going to make the lighting and graphics look incredibly realistic. If you like playing Apple Arcade games on your big screen, this is going to be a huge upgrade for your gaming sessions. More RAM memory for complex AI tasks. Honestly, because of these massive software delays, Apple might even decide to swap the chip out for an even newer A18 processor. We are also fully expecting a big boost in RAM memory for this brand new television model. You absolutely need that extra RAM memory to run all those complex Apple Intelligence tasks right on the device itself without any lag. Super fast Wi-Fi 7 connection speeds. The internal upgrades certainly do not stop at the processor, because your daily movie streaming experience is about to get way smoother. The new Apple TV is highly expected to include the custom Apple N1 networking chip that finally unlocks Wi-Fi 7 support. This means your internet connection speeds will be blazingly fast and cut through wireless signal traffic from your neighbors. Zero latency with Bluetooth 6 support. You will get a perfectly stable connection for flawless 4K and HDR streaming without any of that annoying buffering in the middle of your movies. Apple is also tossing in Bluetooth 6 support to give you a perfect zero-latency connection. This makes using your wireless game controllers and your AirPods feel ultra-premium every single time you sit on the couch. Same design but a much cheaper price. Do not expect a crazy new look, as it will still be that exact same sleek black plastic box sitting quietly under your television set. However, the price tag might actually see a major redesign, which is absolutely great news for regular everyday buyers. Apple might drop the base price of this brand new model to be much more competitive with Roku and Amazon Fire Sticks. Should you buy now or wait patiently? Giving buyers a truly budget-friendly option would be a massive victory for everyone trying to get into the Apple ecosystem for the first time. So, my honest advice to you is this: if your current TV setup works just fine, you absolutely must wait. September is getting closer every single day, and the Wi-Fi 7 and AI features will be completely worth your patience. The current model is still great today. However, if your current streaming stick just broke tonight and you desperately need something to watch movies on, do not panic at all. The current 4K Apple TV is still a fantastic piece of technology that handles 4K HDR beautifully and fits perfectly into the ecosystem. You can always buy one right now and then just move it to your guest bedroom later when the new model finally launches. It is definitely annoying that unready software bugs are delaying completely finished hardware, but hopefully, Apple gets everything perfectly polished for this September. Are you totally sick of waiting, or are you holding on to your cash patiently until the fall? Let me know your honest opinion down in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video before you leave.